I didn't even know they had these in rivers in Oregon. We're hanging out on the Yeehaw, Yahi, Yowie, Yawa, something river. And I just collected a bunch of rocks. I was gonna go fishing, but I can't find my fishing tackle. I'm kind of worried that it didn't make it into the mess that is the van, and will be for the next 2.5 months while I cruise around the country with a dog. I think I'm gonna make videos while I'm on the road. Makes sense. Share the experience. Can you see that very well? Let me refocus. So, yeah, normally Nora is the rock collector. As you see, she's got rocks. Big rocks. You got big rocks? These are cooler in the water. I should have left them in the water. Not so. Yeah. Anyways. That's what we're doing. Not fishing, swimming, collecting river rocks. And gonna go find a spot to camp for the evening. And try and get better at my camera skills and focus. And have something to say when I turn the thing on. That's the plan. This is camp for the night. Just below the Oregon-Nevada border. Saw some nice big healthy antelope on the other side of the mountain over there when I was trying to find a campsite earlier. And then I saw another national forest road. I think the national forest is actually up there where you see the clouds making shade, but I'm bottoming out too much in the van, so I'm gonna stay here. Probably open ranch land. Hopefully nobody cares too much. I don't see any cattle around. So anyways, first night on the road on my own. I'm gonna sit out here and watch the stars. Made in voyage in the Grumman sailing canoe with some fiberglass poles and a Tyvek sail, boat fender, stabilizers, spontoons, whatever. Oarlocks. The oarlocks didn't work out so good because the oars are much more narrow than the oarlocks, so they bounce out. So I have to rewrap the oars so that they fit better inside the oarlocks. The oarlocks were going to drop into those holes and allow me to use the oars, but this canoe paddle is actually working out to be a much better rudder. There's the dagger board. Dagger board's doing great. I think I probably need to pull it back towards the oarlock a little bit further because it gets some vibration when I really get going. I was actually able to point, which was sweet. Pointed, I don't know, 10 degrees into the wind, not much more. Anyways, I'm going too much downwind. I'm supposed to be way back there. So I'm gonna turn this boat around and bring the sail in and see if I can't start cutting back into shore. See ya next time. So, second day on the water. Small boats on big lakes rock a lot with all the chop. The wind's a little better today. I'm able to maintain headway I figured out that sticking the oars, just keeping them in their regular oar lock and sticking them back there, and then I hold it, you know, like this. I do it on either side. One hand on either oar shaft, and then I can steer the boat pretty good that way and get quite a bit more surface area under the water, which prevents leeway. I get a lot of leeway. That maybe the dagger bore is not wide enough, or maybe I just got to keep it on the low side. These tubes aren't holding air, which is frustrating. Once I get those, I think I'll be even more stable. Yesterday I climbed out of the boat. You know, I put all my weight here on the rail and then hopped into the water. And I didn't have any problems with the boat, with the rail going underneath the water line. So just those up there might be enough. I'll have to figure out how to fix these. Anyways, I'm gonna work on sailing back over to the marina over there and keep playing with my boat. This is day 4 of trying the canoe in Lake Tahoe. Poor Nora doesn't want to relax. She doesn't want to get used to the boat. She just wants to go to shore and chase her rocks. The oars, today I'm just doing the oars. I was supposed to stay with my family. They're somewhere around here, but I got caught up trying out this system. The idea is that, let's see, it's going. So yeah, keeps the oars deep in the water when I'm under sail. So all I have to do is just kind of hold right here and steer. Put one on either side. One will act as a dagger board or a keel, and the other one will act as a rudder. They both kind of do keel and rudder. Let's see. I'm gonna try and go out on this Lake Tahoe for 3-4 days by myself, anchor out. That's the other thing. I got the anchor down there, so I'm gonna try and go anchor right now, see how that system works. And then I'll go to the hardware store, get any last goodies I think I need, and head out, pack up the dry bags and head out on the lake for 3 or 4 days of camping here in the middle of September.